What's up, guys? All right, so we're back again today. I am currently recording on my phone because it's a bit windy today. It is 81 today in Florida, so it's a bit hot, but not that hot. The wind helps it cool down a little bit, so it actually feels pretty good outside. And yeah, so today I'm going to install my OEM front bumper on because I took the Mugen bumper off and I left it at my buddy's house. He's going to be working on it, getting it nice and smooth and ready to wrap. So I'll be showing you guys a few things today. So first, I'm going to show you guys that front bumper, and then I also have my 3-inch exhaust that I want to show you guys. We'll eventually make a video on that, and you guys will get to see that. I also have a valve cover that I am trying to do a little project on, and I will eventually show you guys what it is that I'm going to be doing. But that's also going to be a video that's going to come eventually, because this year I am trying to do my valve cover. I am completely tired of my boys telling me, when are you going to do your valve cover? This thing looks like it just came from a junkyard, blah blah. Yeah, no, my engine bay looks horrible. There's no doubt about that. So I am trying to tackle that this year. Hopefully everything goes good, but I already have plans and everything, and I'm starting definitely with that valve cover because I have a vision in mind. So I don't know if I want to show you the color yet, actually. So yeah, no, I don't think I'm going to show the color. So I'm not going to show you guys the wrap today, but that is coming soon because all I have left to do is the bumper, which is getting done this Saturday, which I think I'm going to put on this vlog, and the roof. I also have to do the roof, and then I can get in contact with the person that's going to wrap my car, and then I'll also make a video on that. So you guys get to see everything that gets done to this car, unless it's like little minor things. I'll do little clips and then toss it on the vlog, but just about everything I do to the car, I want to share it with you guys, and I also want to have it as memories for myself, because this is a car that is just, it's a blast to build. So anyways, let's get started with the bumper. All right, so there is my old kit that I was running, my 0506 side skirts that I was running with some makeshift carbon fiber flat splitters, side splitters, Type R replica rear lip, and then I ended up doing a stand setup, which I'll toss a picture up here, or a few pictures, I don't know. But anyways, I did a stand setup too, actually, and then I ran this whole setup that I have here, and that is a 8th gen Civic duckbill that honestly looks amazing on the RSX. I didn't want to tell people what it was because I didn't want to start seeing it as often, because honestly nobody really knows about this, and nobody really has tried it, but it actually looks pretty good. So you know what, you guys go and do it. I'd like to see more things get done and see RSX builds to be actually different, because let's be quite honest, 90% of them all look the same. But anyways, and then there is my front bumper that has been sitting here for about almost 2 months and collecting crap. But anyways, yeah, this thing has literally just sitting here all this time, and this thing is even faded. But anyways, let's go ahead and take this out. Now that is more like it. Alright, and I mostly want to keep that front splitter because that is actually going to help the bit of aggressiveness the car has going on with itself. So let's see how I can make this work, because I really don't know what the heck I'm going to do to make this not fall, because if not, it's going to continue to it's literally going to just fall down and start flapping. So, oh, and also what I forgot to say was these. They used to be there, but they are now on my Mugen bumper. So yeah, that's gonna be super haggard, because I'm gonna just throw a zip tie through here and hold it onto there. So yeah, well, I kind of decided on just taking it apart and seeing what's up with it, because these are the little plates I was talking about that I would use as an L bracket to hold it. Maybe one here, one over there, or maybe one in the middle. I really don't know, because the sides hold up fine. 2 bolts on the sides, and then some 3M tape alongside here. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take it apart, see what I can do, and if not, I'm just gonna run it like that, because after all, I just want a bumper just so that the car doesn't ride bumperless. Front splitter off. This one's nice and sturdy, and honestly, this thing might not ever fall again. Let me go get my drill bits, put those holes in there, and literally send it. So we have hole here, and let's see how that works. Probably should have made the hole first. Don't do that. Oh, there we go. All right, got all the clips here for the bumper. So let's get these on and then figure out the zip tie situation. It doesn't look that bad. I really like it with the the Oem bumper and the Mugen setup. What's up, boys? Today is a new day and I am at my boy's house, and we wanted to do my bumper today, but there's also other cars that I will show you in a little bit that we're getting ready, because we are going to be attending, not sure if you're gonna see me, but let's do it this way. We're going to be attending a show in Helen, Georgia in about 3 or so weeks, maybe 3.5 weeks. So we're getting the cars ready for that. So that's a little more important right now. As much as I want to get my bumper done, their cars need to be done. So I'll show you guys the boys' cars and well, the cars that we got out in the driveway. And yeah, so I'm not gonna be filming too much, mostly just some b-roll, simply because today's a simple day. And I'm also not very used to or comfortable with this vlogging thing. At least not yet, and also neither are they, so I don't want to kind of intrude in any personal level or whatnot. You guys understand me. Not everybody wants to be on a camera, so for now, you know, just some b-roll and whatnot. But anyways, enjoy some of these shots, and see y'all later. Today's Sunday and we're actually now at the Honda meet. We just arrived, so I'm gonna just be showing you guys a few clips here and there. I don't plan on talking a lot. I don't know if there's gonna be music or not. I don't want to get copyrighted, but nonetheless, let's see what today looks like. Boy just got selected to be VIP. They just put a blue sticker on his car, so maybe that's what it means. Supposedly Big Mike was selecting the people that were VIP. Got a tan interior. I know this guy. I think this is DC5 Domo or Domo DC5 or something like that. I can't exactly remember his name. I'll post it down below, but not sure if I'm into the red with the tan interior, because I also have a tan interior on mine. I just can't choose what color I want to do. Honestly, I might just get some Braham seats, same color as the interior, and kind of just send it like that. Just keep kind of like the OEM look. So it's stupid hot out, and that'll get you tired real quick. But yeah, not much working on car content or whatnot, but at least for the second block number 2, you guys got to see a nice Honda meet. You guys got to see nice cars. So it was my first time out there, and I had a blast. So definitely I will keep uploading. I'm gonna try not to be lazy with this YouTube stuff, but I will catch you guys on the next one, and I'll see you later.